Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail, even if you've already cleared out your trash folder. Let's get into it. First, check the trash and spam folders. Before assuming the emails are gone forever, we need to check the two places Gmail stores deleted items for 30 days. Open your Gmail and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click on More and then select Trash. Use the search bar at the top and type in trash or in spam followed by a keyword from the missing email. If you find the email, check the box next to it and click the Move to icon at the top to send it back to your inbox. Next, use the Gmail message recovery tool. If the email is not in the trash or spam and more than 30 days have passed, it is considered permanently deleted. However, Google provides a specialized tool for emergencies, such as when an account has been compromised. Search for the Gmail message recovery tool on Google and navigate to the official Google Help page. Confirm that you are logged into the correct Gmail account. This tool is specifically designed to scan Google's backend servers for data that hasn't been fully overwritten yet. While it's primarily for accounts that were hacked, it is the only way to request a manual restoration of deleted data. Click Continue to start the diagnostic. If the emails are recoverable, Google will automatically restore them to your inbox within 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. To recover permanently deleted emails, first double-check your trash and spam folders using specific search filters. If they aren't there, use the Gmail message recovery tool to request a server-side restoration. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.